Bite-sized German lessons by 11%. Die Anmeldung. If you watched the previous video, you've already learned about the verb anmelden, but its noun form is also quite useful, especially in formal conversations, something you'll learn more about in this video. Anmeldung. 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 Anmeldung is a noun form of the verb you learned in the previous video, anmelden. This word means registration, announcement, or application. It is mostly used in formal conversations, when you're, for example, announcing your arrival in the hospital or signing up for a language course. Anmeldung is a feminine noun, which means it comes with a definite article, die. For the plural form, just add the ending en and there you go, die Anmeldungen. Die Anmeldung an dem neuen Wohnort ist von großer Bedeutung. It's very important to register the new place of residence. Die benötigten Dokumente zu bekommen, müssen Sie die digitale Anmeldung ausfüllen. To get the necessary documents, you have to fill out the digital registration form. Welche E-Mail-Adresse haben Sie für die Anmeldung zu dem Sprachkurs verwendet? Which email address have you used to sign up for the language course? Bitte schicken Sie uns Ihre Anmeldung bis Ende des Monats. Please send us your application by the end of the month. Eine Anmeldung ohne Passwort ist momentan nicht möglich. At the moment, it's not possible to log in without a password. Though the feminine noun Anmeldung has a similar meaning to its verb form anmelden, it has its place in formal conversations. Whether you're registering your place of residence, logging in your account, filling out the registration form, or signing up for a language course, the noun Anmeldung is the way to go to make your German sound elegant and professional. Let's check your knowledge with a little exercise or Übung. Die Anmeldung or anmelden. Write your answers in the comments below to get a chance to win a free beginner German course. Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. Or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!